Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split PDF by text search using PDF.co and Integromat. Let's start. First, I'll be showing you the sample invoice PDF that we're going to use for this tutorial. We'll split this multi-paged PDF through text search. We'll start by creating a new scenario to Integromat. Then, let's create a PDF.co module. Type in and select PDF.co. Then, select Split a PDF. We will now set up our PDF.co module. For the input file, choose Import a file from URL since we will manually add our file URL. You may then set the name for your output file. As for the split option, choose Split by Text Found. We'll split our PDF using the keyword invoice number. Then, click OK. Since we're done setting up our module, we will now run the scenario. Our scenario runs successfully. Let's check our output file and see what it looks like after splitting. Here's what our output looks like. We've successfully split the PDF into 3 different PDFs. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.